We have Shah Rukh Khan at the top of our show. Voted as the most admired dad, Shah Rukh Khan did exactly what dads are known for, and that is spending time with kids. Not surprising why he's voted as one. So let's find out what is his secret mantra.
Well, Father's Day is special for every family out there, but this person standing next to me, his Father's Day is a little extra special this time. Shah Rukh, you've been voted by a poll as the most admired dad. How do you feel about that right now? And what's the secret, do you think? What's the mantra of Shah Rukh Khan for being the most admired dad?
It's amazing the kind of things you get voted for nowadays. As the richest actor, as the most admired dad, as the guy with the longest hair, with the nicest beard. so there's no ending to that, but I think it's a little unfair because I think every father is very, very special.
It's said that fathers are usually closer to their daughters than their sons. Is that true for you as well?
Not really. I think I'm very close to Aryan and Suhana. And Abraham is still forming a relationship. He's very sweet and young. But when they both grew up, there's not much difference in the ages, a year and a half, 2. So both of them been brought up in a similar fashion. And strange as it is, Suhana is very ladylike and resilient and quiet, while Aryan is more outgoing, tough and boy-like. And I do the same things with him.
Are you the strict one in the house, or does Gauri do all that work?
No, both of us are not at all strict. As a matter of fact, if I was to compare my kids to me, I'm more spoiled. I'm, I think, more ill-mannered and misbehaved. But they're quite well-mannered and never had to be strict with them. I've never raised my voice at them, neither has, I think, Gauri. And I think, it's just we are very good friends.